For the IT235 course, we're required to make videos of our screen. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video showing you how I have learned to make videos. You'll notice that I have in my taskbar a couple of icons of interest. This here is the snipping tool, and this here beside it is the Microsoft Clipchamp. Beside that, I also have the sound recorder, just in case I needed it to do some overview. So I'm going to start with the snipping tool. I'm going to open it, clip it open, and it's going to tell me that I have to press the Windows logo. I'm on the video here. Sometimes it comes up as picture. So on record, press Windows logo key, Shift R, and to start a recording. So I'm going to do that. Windows Shift R. And the screen goes a little bit hazy. So what I have to do is I have a plus sign icon, cursor, and I select the area of the screen that I want to be recorded, which is, I'll even select the bottom bar too, the whole screen. Then way up top you can see that I've got a little start button and a microphone. So what I found is that pressing start and then pressing the microphone so that it isn't muted works great. There was a countdown on the center of the screen that we missed, and what it did is it just went away. And so we can do something like we can open up a command shell window, and we can do something like version. And we just sort of type commands. Oh my goodness, yes, I've got the wrong command. Oh well. But it shows that we can do things. I can check on Wikipedia, and the Wikipedia site will come up. And so now we're done recording, so I'll just go up here and I will press the stop button. And here we have this here picture is what we started out with, their screen. And up here we can edit in Clipchamp. So I'm going to press on that. And here comes Clipchamp is firing up. And we get a whole, oh, it's still firing up. And here is my video. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that my video works. But on my particular case, I have dual screen, so I have to make it all fit into one screen. So here you can see the sound is down here, and here is the video. So I'm just going to press play to see whether or not my voice was picked up. There was a countdown on the center, and it appears that it has. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that, go up here to the export to save this video. I'm going to save it. At the 420p actually works quite well. And we can see here a progress bar of it being saved. This here was just a 30-second video, and while it's doing it we see sort of a preview of what was on the screen. When it is completed, it is ready to save to our computer. But we'll also notice that it may have already been loaded in our downloads folder. If we want to save it to our computer, then it's just sort of a normal saving process. I'm going to remove this screen. I'm going to go to the folders and look at my downloads. And sure enough, there it is right there. Untitled video made right away. So I'm going to take that video and I'm going to play it. And let's see what it says.
There was a countdown on the center of the screen that we missed.
Oh my, that is our video, and it is working. And we'll notice that it is relatively small in size. Well, I'm going to rename that video because I've got a few different videos that I've done. And I'm going to do this here as, oh, let's see, IT235 video making. Okay, and I'm going to save that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to get out of this, and get out of this, and get out of this, and he's being nasty to me. So I'm just going to go down here, and I'm going to just close all the windows. Close all windows. Okay, so now we're back on our browser. And I'm going to go to YouTube. And in YouTube, I'm going to log in as me. Okay, I'm already logged in as me. I'm going to press create and upload a video. And then it's going to ask me to select a file. I'm going to select a file, and the file that I'm going to choose was in the downloads. There we go, the downloads, and we already have that. The most recent video I have is IT video making, that MP4. I will click that. I will click on open, and then it is being uploaded. I'm going to call it IT video making, and we see down here that it is uploading. Tell us something about it. Okay, we're going to tell it IT235 video. And then we're going to go over here and press next. And I'm going to scroll up to the top. Oh, there it is. Do I want a thumbnail for the front of it? No. Playlist? No. Who is it for? No, it's not really for kids. Any age restrictions? No. And click on next. And it's going to say, do I want subtitles? Nope. So click on next. And it is now 100% uploaded. It is checking for copyrights. And I'm going to say next. And it's going to say, do I want it published? Yeah, I want it public. And I want to publish it. And here it is. Do I want to promote this video? No. And here it is. The video is there. Okay, ready to go. And so that is the step of making a video for our class. You have to, if you want to watch the video, watch the video, options, get shareable link. Okay, link copy to the clipboard, and you can now open a new tab and do right click, paste, and the video will come up there. Press enter and away you go. And there is the video.
It was a countdown.
And that is the link that you send to the professor.